Welcome. And this is the CKD mock question. And the question number is, I think, 5. What this question is saying, you are working in a Neokloud namespace. So this is Neokloud. A deployment named with new DPL already exists. But this is a blank scenario. We need to create it. Your task is to update and expose as follows. Modify new deployment so that the pod template include the labels app equal to new. So we need to edit in a pod template, not in the selector template, because selector is immutable. It cannot be changed. Otherwise, the concept of the means if that will change, then how can it manage the pods? So create a Nodeport service named new app in the new cloud. So service is also there. We need to create it, and this is the property. Listen. Select the pod from the updated new deployment shown in new deployment. Use a valid notebook value assigned automatically by Kubernetes. Complete the required changes and apply all manifest in the cluster. So nothing more. We need to just create a notebook service. So first we need to create a namespace because namespace is not there. So kubectl create ns and what the name is Neokloud. So namespace is created. Now I need to create a YAML file for this because it is not available in blank scenario. So nodepl.yaml. I need to copy that YAML file I had already created in my notepad. So this is the deployment file. Don't worry, I will create a document for you. You will able to easily fetch that deployment file. K apply hyphen f new dpl.yml. So it is created. So half of the work is done. Already the broken things are created. Now we need to modify the new DPL. So first let's check k get ns. So the namespace is already there. So k get nodes, k get pods, hyphen and Neokloud. So this pod is there. K get deployment, hyphen and Neokloud. So it is already there. So great. Now need to edit. So whenever we are doing anything in examination, so we need to take a backup of that. It is advisable. So k get pods, k get k hyphen n new cloud get deployment apps and new, and I will always take a backup like this backup question number, that is whatever it may be, dot touch dot yml, and then I'll here no touch. So it is very safe. I will verify always that cat backup by touch. Sorry, I forget. So the so what this verify things work. So I need to add this. I need to delete that first because it might confuse us. So control K, ls, so rm, dc, so ls, now control L. So here I had not exported into output in the YAML. So now touch. So now I'll verify backup. So it's there, it's there. So we are safe now. Now I have to edit. So k edit neo deployment. So I need to change replicas to 4, and then I have to go to the template section of the pod, and there I need to add that label new. So I'll save this. If I done any mistake, this message will not come. Slash temporary directory, it is redirected, and there you can edit and then do the things. Now I need to create a noteport. So in Kubernetes, you will find noteport. You go to the services page, and here you will find controller 30000 7. So I find it this way because scrolling may kill you. So we add noteport. Oh, control C. Okay, here. So I'll paste it here. So v1 kind is service. Metadata is my service. So here we need to edit this thing. I'll edit this to name the new app. So new app. If the small things is there, you should write it and check whether word to word is matching. Because most of the time you are in a confident or declaration and that will eat you. So selected, this text section is there, metadata is there. So selected here app equal to Nginx, you require, sorry, app equal to Neo, you require, and then port is 8080 listening, and target port is 80, and protocol is, you can write it here or you can remove it. So rest of the thing I not require, so I skip, and automatically it is said. So I don't need this also. So the target port is 80. So this create a Nodeport Kubernetes select availability value automatically. So I'll just escape WQ. So K apply -f Nodeport. So services is created. So if I K get SVC, so here Nodeport service is already there, but it is not in a namespace. So I'll delete it. Okay, delete new app Nodeport. Here we forgot to add namespace. Namespace is Neokloud. So WQ and save, then apply. So K get SVC. Now here we will not find. Then hyphen and Neokloud. So this service is there. And you'll see this port is mapped to this. So this is the node port. So we don't need anything to test here. So K get SVC hyphen and new node. So this is the port. So K get nodes hyphen O white. So this is the IP of the node. So I don't think it will work. So HTTP is this node IP and colon 30869 and 1. This is with this one. So thank you so much for your love and support. Uh, Here exam desktop is enabled. So we can check this in exam desktop also. This might not enable for you because please do 869. Oh, wow. It is working. But this exam desktop is not enabled for you. I am the pro user, so it is enabled for me. Thank you so much for your love and support, and we'll meet in next tutorial.